Everybody loves hummus, at least it's very popular, and that's why I make a spicy version to fill my seedless snack peppers. I start with some olive oil in the pan. And then I'm gonna add the coriander seeds and some cumin seeds. So for the hummus, I'm actually blending everything together. So I'm using a measuring cup and I add the chickpeas, a clove of garlic, the tahini. And to make it spicy, I use some harissa paste. I use the zest and the juice of 1 lemon. And I finish everything off with the aromatic oil. And then I'm just blending it. So the hummus is done. Now I only need to halve the snack peppers and fill them. So I'm finishing the peppers with some chili flakes for the last pinch. And then they're ready. Nice bite. Very tasty.